In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code to an Air Canada flight in 2026, step by step. To get started, head over to the Air Canada flights page. Once the site loads, you'll see the main booking search area where you can enter your trip details. This is where the promo code will eventually be added, so it's important to fill out the flight search correctly first. Begin by selecting how many travelers will be flying. Make sure this matches your actual booking, because the fares and any eligible discounts can depend on the number of passengers you include in the search. Next, choose your departure city in the From field. Type in the airport or city you'll be leaving from and select the correct option from the list. After that, move to the To field and select your destination. Double check both locations before continuing so your search results are accurate. Now select your departure date. Use the calendar tool to pick the date you want to leave. Then choose your return date if you're booking a round trip. If your plans are flexible, it can help to pay close attention to the date selection because availability and pricing may vary depending on the travel days you choose. Once both travel dates are entered, click on Select to confirm them. After that, look just below the date section. This is the area where you'll find the field for a promo code. Enter your promo code carefully into that box. Be sure to type it exactly as provided since promo codes often need to match the correct format. A small typing mistake can prevent the discount from being recognized. If you copied the code from somewhere else, it's a good idea to quickly check for extra spaces before moving on. When everything looks correct, click on Search. The website will then load the available flight options based on the travelers, route, and dates you entered. If the promo code is valid and applies to the itinerary you searched for, the eligible discount will automatically be applied to the matching flights shown on the results page. Keep in mind that some promo codes only work on certain routes, fare types, travel periods, or cabin classes, so you may only see the discount on flights that meet those conditions. That's all it takes to apply a promo code to an Air Canada flight. Follow the booking fields carefully, enter the code in the correct spot below the dates, and then search to view discounted eligible flights.